Hi kids! As you know, I love animals. I have a cat and a dog. Animals that can live with humans are classified as domestic. They are pets or work animals, and they depend on us. Can you name all these domestic animals? Wild animals, on the other hand, live without any help from people. They find their own food and shelter. Can you name all these wild animals? Of course you can. Now, what is a habitat? A habitat is a place where animals live and get water, food and shelter. Animals live in different habitats. Some live in the sea. Some animals live in the desert. Some animals live in the ice and snow. Some animals live on the plains. And others live in the rainforest. These animals live in the forest. Now let's learn about some wild animals' habitats. Forest. In the forest, there are many trees with green leaves, and there are also rivers and lakes. In winter, it rains and it's cold. In summer, it's hot and everything is much drier. Lots of animals live in the forest: deers, rabbits, birds, and wolves. Savanna. The savanna is a very big region with big meadows and specific trees like the baobab tree, which is very funny looking. It almost has the same temperature during the whole year, and in the rainy season, when it rains a lot, big rivers and lakes are formed. However, when it stops raining, they dry out. Many different animals live in the savanna. The most famous one is the lion, who is the king of the savanna. There are also giraffes, zebras, and elephants. Ice. In the North Pole and the South Pole, it's very cold and there is a lot of ice. The landscape is absolutely beautiful, white and blue. However, you must really wrap up. There are gigantic icebergs and a lot of snow. Polar bears, seals, reindeers, and penguins all live here. Marine world. There is an incredible world under the sea. Under the boats and waves, there are seaweed, beautiful corals, among many animals. Dolphins swim in front of boats and whales spurt out water from their backs. There are a million types of fish and also many starfish. Well, I hope you enjoy learning about these habitats. It's time to say goodbye, children. Keep on learning!